Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 33. We will present our project about the shaft in Sander machine.
Next.
Perspective view of structure. This is our structure machine of Sander machine. And the right side is a shaft in bed sander machine. Function of the structure. First is a sander machine. A bed sander is a sander used in shaping and finishing wood and other material.
Next.
Shaft. Shafts are an essential component of machine. They support rotating parts such as a gear and pulley. Next. Rotary bearing are mechanical components that hold rotating components such as a shaft and axle.
For analysis of the structure. So this is our free body diagram. Next. The formula that we use and the assumption the weight of the shaft is neglected. The shaft is designed for the normal bending, stress in the location of max bending moment. Next. So this is our calculation that we provide. Next. For our shaft sizing and the design, the following computation is not exact. A shaft with verified diameter, there are too many points of consideration of stress, groove, and undercut. Next. For the shaft design, shaft topology. For the point A, select a shaft configuration that will support and locate two gears and the bearing. B, the solution make use of integral pinion, a shaft with 3 solder, a keyway, and a sleeve. The housing contains a bearing. C, select a fan shaft configuration. D, sleeve bearing, a straight through shaft, locate collar, set screw, pulley, and a fan are used in the solution. Next.
Now we move to the bearing selection. There are many bearings that can be used in this sander machine, but we choose a mounted bearing. Mounted bearing that we choose is pillow block bearing that are made up of a housing and an insert bearing, both of which are self-aligning. This is the design of the bearing that we choose. The consideration of design include house unit elevate mounting and security concern. Cartridge design make replacement easier. The shafts are typically held in place with sets of screws. Supported component can be adjusted, and lastly, we considered about the bearing can act as support system for the machine operation. So the conclusion of the project is the shaft is one of the most typical piece of a belt sander machine, and it serves as the main lead of the system, whereby it transmitting power from one rotating member to another. Some factors determine shaft selection, including the application, design, system specification, and the cost. Ball bearings, on the other hand, are commonly used in the instruments and gadgets to overcome impact and power of loss. That's all from us. Thank you.